In my mind yesterday, I was like, today is going to be a light day in the store, meaning there won't be so many people in store. But you guys, I lied to myself. In my mind yesterday, I was like, today is going to be a light day in the store, meaning there won't be so many people in store. But you guys, I lied to myself because it's almost like everyone chose today, a Monday, to do last minute shopping. And the town was super crowded yesterday. Although I didn't come out, my husband was the one that told me there was so much traffic because everyone was outside. So I imagine, oh, I'm just gonna come out today since it's a Monday, the children are on holiday, everywhere is supposed to be free. You guys, I lied. I totally lied to myself. I was delulu. This right here is my best bread. I plan on doing like a Christmas breakfast, and I want to use this bread to make some French toast. So Aldi have a way of doing exactly what Lidl does. If not, you guys, what is this? What is this? I know I'm guilty as well, yeah. But I'm wondering, what is everyone buying? Look at this car park. I decided to leave my car at Aldi because it's right beside Dawn's. There's no way I'm going to bring my car here in this damn horrible traffic. But I'm going to pay for it by dragging loads. Ugh. Never have I ever been caught in any last minute Christmas shopping like this one. It's so chaotic that I decided not to buy anything I don't need immediately. I'll just wait until after Christmas because it's too much. I'm not even gonna lie, I've never been caught in this last minute Christmas shopping brouhaha. You guys, there is car and foot traffic everywhere in store and outside. I'm literally stuck here. I've been out of the house since 11 and it's past 1 right now. I want to get home by like 2 because I still need to drop something at Penny's. I don't want to leave it till maybe tomorrow. And I don't even want to come out tomorrow. I'd rather be home than be caught in any of this mess. Oh my god. And the reason for all this mess is that most of the stores will be closed on Christmas Day and the day after. So people need to eat. I understand, but yeah, I've never been caught. And I think this is the last time I'll be caught. I'd rather just order online. Next year, if I don't have stuffs, I'll order online. I will order a line. I don't want to be caught like this again. I'm finally back home and now I have to think about how to put all these things away. I got so much things because there's every possibility that we're not buying anything else until the new year. I'm exhausted. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Bye.